How to recover Rockstar Social Club account without email. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can recover the Rockstar Social Club account without email. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So for that, you can head over to Rockstar Games, and once you are on the space, you can go to the login page at the top and go to the sign in page by clicking on the sign in option. After you reach over to the space, you need to use your email. But apart from that, if you don't want to use your email in the bottom, you will be finding sign in using this PlayStation account and Xbox account. So you can use these two options if you don't want to use your email instead. And once that is done, you should be finding something like forgot your password or recover your account section. Just go ahead and click on that from your Xbox or PlayStation, and once that is done, you should be able to recover your Rockstar Social Club account by following the prompts. So that is how you do it, following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.